A 5-month-old baby hasn't seen her mother in 4 months, not because the state stopped the visits, but because her mother decided virtual visits don't have an effect when the baby just stares at the screen. This is the initial permanency hearing for Eliza Ross, whose mother Erica has completed 0 services, provided no proof of employment, and turned down every opportunity to see her daughter. The case is being heard in Texas Family Court in 2026, with the Department of Family and Protective Services seeking to determine whether this family can be reunited or if it's time to move toward termination of parental rights.
Newton, raise your right hand for me. You solemnly swear you'll tell us the truth today?
I do.
All right, if you want to give us an update, we'll see if anybody's got questions for you.
Okay. Eliza's doing very well in her current placement. She just reached 6 months yesterday, so she'll be having her 6-month checkup on Friday, and her foster mom is going to schedule her dental appointment for the end of the month. She's attending daycare, and she's doing good there. She goes to see her half sister every weekend, and I think she really enjoys doing that as well. Erica Ross, she has not started any services. She has drug screened for me on at the end of the end of March, and those have been e-filed. I'm going to do an OSAR recommendation for a referral for those drug screens. She has told me she started parenting, but she has not been able to provide me with any information, so I have not been able to confirm that. And she said that she would start her counseling, but again, has not given me any information on whether she actually started or who she is going to see. And then she has not given me any more information about a potential father.
All right. Mr. Hammonds, do you have any questions?
Ms. Heiss, has she indicated to you that she's working anywhere?
No, sir. She has told me that she is trying to get her ID so that she can get a job.
I have 3 different phone numbers for her. Would you please email me the most recent one you have for her? And I do have her email address, so I'll email her as well.
Yes, sir. I will email you her current phone number and her new email. She notified me at some point since I last saw her that her email changed. So I will give you that information as well.
Okay. Do you know who she's living with?
Last I spoke with her, she was still living with her girlfriend at a hotel.
Okay. Judge, I have nothing further. Thank you.
All right, Ms. Zavala.
I have no questions, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Zavala, Mr. Eldridge, do you have any questions?
You already kind of answered this. You don't have any idea who a potential father might be. She's not married or nothing like that. Anybody at all that you might think I should contact?
No, sir. When I ask her, she tells me she does not know anything.
Okay. I don't have anything further, Your Honor.
Good. Ms. Zavala, you have a recommendation?
I do, Your Honor. She is doing great in placement. She's getting great regular contact with her sister, which I absolutely love. And I do recommend that all of that continue.
Okay, I appreciate it. All right, everybody, we're going to continue the department as temporary managing conservator, and we're going to continue the child's placement. I find a continuing danger to return the child to mother, and we don't know who the father is. Find that mother is not in compliance with her service plan.
Judge, one other thing, please. Ms. Heiss, has Ms. Ross been exercising visitation with Eliza?
No, sir. She has not done any visits with Eliza since December. And when I have brought up visits with her, she has expressed, I don't know if I can say this, she has expressed that virtual visits don't have an effect, I guess, because she's a 5-month-old and they just stare at each other. And so she wants to resume visits when she can do her in person. And she's aware that she has to provide a negative drug screen for that.
All right, thank you. That was another question I had. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, I would ask to change the next hearing to a final.
Texas law requires parents to complete a service plan with concrete steps to address why their child was removed here. That includes drug treatment, parenting classes, and stable housing. The permanency specialist's testimony shows Eliza Ross hasn't started any of it. Courts track this progress through hearings like this one, where the judge decides whether to maintain the current placement or push toward reunification. The clock is running. Federal law generally requires states to file for termination of parental rights if a child has been in foster care for 15 of the last 22 months.
Hearing.
That's coming.
Thank you.
So she has turned down virtual visits, essentially.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Judge, when I get that new email address, I will certainly try to have a little heart-to-heart with Miss Ross.
Okay. All right, then. Our next hearing will be August 4th of 2026 on a 9 o'clock docket. And the final is set for October 13th, 2026, also on a 9 o'clock docket.
Judge,
Okay.
can we make that August hearing a final?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes. I meant to do that. So, all right, August 4th will be the final hearing. My apologies. I'm trying to hurry.
All right,
I'm
thank you.
sorry. August 4th, 2026, 9 o'clock, final hearing.
I will inform Miss Ross. Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
We've got an interpreter waiting, so I'm just trying hard to press forward.
All right, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Judge, I'm looking for Stephanie Corbett.
Okay.
All right, you guys take care. I'm going to sign off. Thanks, Judge.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Have a good day, Kate.
Ms. Kincaid, are you expecting your client? Okay. Ms. Nunez, good morning. I'm sorry we're running behind.
Good morning.
If you want to tell Ms. Calderon, we're gonna start the interpretation and she'll need to check Spanish. We'll get that going.
Ok, señora Calderón, van a aprender el sistema de interpretación. En su pantalla va a salir para poder escoger. Usted va a escoger español para que se traslada a otro canal. ¿Sí me escucha? Señora Calderón, ¿sí me escucha?
Judge, can I have about 32 seconds with Miss Corbett and Miss Collins?
32, really?
I'll be very, 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 very quick.
That's very
Anna
specific.
says she cannot hear anything.
Yeah, we'll work on that. Ms. Powell, you can go back to 1.
Thank you.
Ms. Corbett, I'll put you in 1. And who else do you want?
Let's send Janelle also.
Okay.
And Miss
Thank you.
Zavala. I'll be very, very quick though.
And Ms. Zavala?
Yes.
Stacy, you can go back to 1.
Señora Calderón, ¿usted me
I
puede
don't know.
escuchar? Señora Calderón, ¿sí me escucha? Okay, I think we lost her.
If she's there,
Oh,
Ahora
okay.
sí la estoy.
¿Ahora sí me escucha? Señora Calderón, ¿sí me escucha?
No puedo oír nada.
¿No me escucha? I don't think she can hear me. I don't know.
I'm gonna remove her and see if she'll log back in.
Okay, señora Calderón, si me escucha, la vamos a remover. Y vuélvase a meter. Yeah, she can't hear us.
Okay, sometimes if they just start over, then they get the prompts and that might, maybe that will help. Mr. Barfield, we're trying to get connection with your client. She had logged in, but she couldn't hear us, so I've removed her and we're trying to get her back in and
Okay,
get her connected with the interpreter.
And Judge, I
Okay.
may be able to negate the necessity of a hearing if Mr. Barfield is in agreement with this.
what am I agreeing to?
Child's home.
Okay,
We are agreeable to just dismiss the suit, and if mom wants to get child support, she can go to the Attorney General.
well, yeah. I don't know why I'd object to that.
She's logged back in. Let's see if we
Okay.
can.
Señora Calderón, ¿me puede escuchar? Señora Calderón, ¿sí me escucha?
She said she still can't hear.
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask this, Brooks. Have you got a cell number for her?
Let me
I
see.
have it if you need it, sir.
Well, you know what? That would probably be quicker than me Yeah, yeah,
Here,
go ahead.
here's my thinking. If we could, I could get you, I can put you and Ms. Nunez in a breakout room. If you
Yeah,
can just call her and get her on the phone and tell her what's happening, and we'll move on. If
yeah.
there's a problem,
I don't see a problem. I mean, the child
yeah, but
support issue is you're correct. I mean,
if,
AG, that's their job.
okay, but if there is a problem, you can come back in from that breakout room when I finish up the next hearing and let me know.
Okay.
And then we'll just probably reset this, but
Okay. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. I don't anticipate a problem, but so yeah, let's just do that. What is that number?
806-683-3390.
Okay. And so the plan is for me just to call her and we'll be in a breakout room, right?
Yeah, I'll put you and Ms. Nunez in a breakout room.
No, no
and
me
then-
van a dejar.
I think she's hearing.
I don't think she's. Señora Calderón, ¿sí me puede escuchar a mí? We've been able to hear her. She just
Yeah.
can't hear
Oh, she just
us.
can't, and she, okay. Yeah.
So-
Okay. Just put us in a room, Judge.
So what I'm gonna,
nada.
Yeah, that's what she's saying. I don't hear anything.
no me dieron permiso de escuchar nada.
Okay.
okay, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put you and Ms. Nunez in a breakout room, and I'm gonna disconnect her if you all will call her right away then.
I'll call right now. Okay. Yeah. I'll call right now.
Do you want
Okay.
me to call Mr. Barfield or you'll call?
Yeah, that would make more sense because I don't speak very good Spanish.
Okay.
If she will recognize the number and answer, y'all can try that, but I'll put you into two.
All right.
Okay.
Thank y'all. Thank you,
Yes,
Anna. I
ma'am.
appreciate it.
All
Yeah,
right.
no,
Thank you.
thank you, Judge. I know you're backed up.
You're welcome, Brooks. Oh, he went off already.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and remove her again so they can call her and she'll get the call. Excellent.
I
And
guess
I
we
know
should
we're-
have asked Miss Kincaid if she agreed also, but
I know we're not addressing it, but she is doing well and I'm really proud of her.
So it's just gonna be a dismissal order, right?
just a dismissal. Father's not even in this country, Judge. I think we're
Right.
fine. Stephanie, you're free to go. We'll get that dismissal filed unless, if something happens, I will, shoot you an email, but I think we'll probably be fine.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Can't imagine how that would go wrong, but anyway.
Do you want me to wait? And I can call Anna too if I need to.
No, just if we have a problem, we'll let everybody know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Trying to get us back on schedule, Judge.
I appreciate it. Because the rest of the day is going to be interesting
I was gonna
as
say,
well. Okay, let's see. Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for Ruben Martinez.
Ruben Martinez. Got Mr. Martinez. Mr. Hill. Got mom. Got mom twice. We'll see who that is.
And Mr.
Got mom
Martinez.
3 times.
I'm betting Mr. Martinez's supervisor, Mel Tucker, is probably out there.
Nope. I've
No,
got Corey Mills,
nope.
Ashley Barella, Demaria Hill. That's who I got.
I wonder if Corey Mills is gonna be the St. Francis permanency. Ruben, do you know who the St. Francis permanency specialist is gonna be on this?
I don't remember. Let me check real quick. Just one second.
All right, while we're doing that, Ms. Ortiz, I've got you logged in under several devices. Did you forward a link to anybody? You'll have to unmute. You're muted. I'll send you a prompt. All right, the other device is falling out now. So, all right, Ms. Ortiz, can you unmute? Are you on a phone, Ms. Ortiz? Just nod your head yes or no. Ms. Ortiz, can you hear me? I'm not sure she can even hear me. Mr. Hill, I'm gonna remove her and see if she can log back in. Do we know yet about Ms. Mills?
Mr. Martinez, who's your permanency, who's the case going to?
I think it's Damra Hill.
Okay,
Maria.
Demaria. Yes, sorry about that.
all right, got her in the waiting room.
Sorry to butt in. Which one are we on, Your Honor?
We are on the Medlock case. Ms. Kincaid, I can put you back in the waiting room. I'm sorry.
I had Rodriguez at 10:15.
Oh, We're dismissing that one.
Okay, I've been confused this whole time as to what's going on, so, okay, good.
Do you have anything else today, Ms.?
No, Your Honor, I think that's it for me. I can be
Okay.
dismissed.
Yeah.
I think with all the translating stuff, I was just waiting for mine to start and I got confused.
Okay, yeah, they're just dismissing kiddos at home and everything's going good.
Okay.
Judge, I talked to my client. We got a deal on my case.
Thank you, Ms.
We just
Barfield.
sign
for
orders?
No,
Ms.
I'll just file the dismissal.
Okay. All right. That'll work. We're good to go.
All right, thank you both.
No, thank y'all. Y'all have a good
Thank you, Your
day.
Honor.
You too. Okay, I'm bringing her back in. Let's see if we can't get her connected. Okay, Ms. Ortiz, can you hear me? I'm going to send you a prompt to unmute.
There we go.
Okay, great. Perfect. All right, then. At this time, I will call cause number 100804D in the interest of Daviana, excuse me, Daviana Medlock. And we are here today set for an adversary in this case. We are conducting this through Zoom. We're live streaming and Ms. Taylor is making our record. All right, then. We'll go ahead and take announcements.
Melinda Powell for the department, we're present. I haven't had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Hill to determine whether we have any type of agreement on this case.
Okay, we'll take announcements and then we'll come back.
Jeff Hill, on behalf of the mother of Destiny Ortiz, Judge, we're here already.
Stacy Zavala on behalf of the child.
Okay, Mr. Hill, do you and Ms. Powell need to talk? Or are we ready to just call witnesses?
Judge, it might work well if I just speak with her briefly.
With Ms. Powell?
Yes, please.
Okay, all right. Let me get y'all on a break. Or do you want Ms. Zavala in there too?
It doesn't matter to me.
All right, well, Ms. Powell, you can go back to one. Ms. Zavala, you can go to one if you wish, and I'll put Mr. Hill in there too.
Okay, and if Ms. McBride wants to come, she can
go
more
back
than
to
welcome.
one. She can go back to one as well.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Judge, we're back and ready. Oh, I think I froze up. We're back and ready, Judge.
Okay. We ready to just start testimony?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Okay, Ms. Powell, who's your first witness today?
Petitioner calls Ruben
The court found a continuing danger to return Eliza to her mother, noting Erica Ross was not in compliance with her service plan and had declined all visitation since December. The department remains temporary managing conservator, with Eliza staying in her current foster placement. The judge accelerated the timeline. What was scheduled as a routine review became a final hearing set for August 4, 2026, just months away, where the court will decide whether to terminate parental rights and pursue adoption. In family court, a parent's right to their child is not absolute. It must be exercised. Erica Ross had every opportunity to see her daughter and start services. She chose neither. The law gives parents time and support to reunify, but not unlimited time when a child is waiting. Subscribe for more real family court proceedings that show how the legal system actually works.